No, the reason is like this because see, when the police information was that there may be some kind of reaction, some kind of law and order. Then from the police side they said that we have to be well prepared in case if there is any kind of reaction, as I said to you, and especially because it is in the campus, and the campus of Nehu, it's a huge campus over there. So that on the basis of that, then the police was ready, and then they were there inside. But ultimately, after having a meeting with the in charge of the Nehu campus, ultimately it was decided that the police force should be withdrawn, and in case if any issues are there, the concerned in charge of the Nehu campus will take care, or they will inform the police department.
How is the situation in Nehu right now?
Right now, the situation is okay. It's not that out of control. So everything is cool, calm right now. And we appeal to the student communities also and to everybody that let us wait. Don't just be emotional, because the law takes its own course, and then allow the investigation to go on. Once that is done, then they will be able to know also exactly what was happening over there.
So anything latest in the assault of the Nehu professor?
No, because the investigation is on.